Today I'll be teaching you all tenses. Verbs come in three types: past, present, and future. The past is used to describe the things that have already happened. Example: earlier in the day, yesterday, last week, 3 years ago, etc. The present tense is used to describe the things that are happening right now or things that are continuous. Future tense describes the things that have yet to happen. Example: later, tomorrow, next week, etc. In tenses, we mainly have three types: present tense, past tense, and future tense. In present tense, we are classified further four types: simple present, present perfect, present continuous, present perfect continuous. In past tense, again it is classified into four types, that is simple present, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous. And lastly, the future tense. In future tense, again it is classified further into four types: simple future, future perfect, future continuous, future perfect continuous. What is simple present? Simple present means what presently it is happening, will tell it into simple sentence. You all can look into the further here below example, that is, I read nearly every day. Okay, I read nearly every day is a simple present. What is present continuous? Look at the second example. When for action, if we add ing, then it becomes the present continuous. Example: I am reading Shakespeare at the movement. Means presently I am reading the Shakespeare's book. Remember, if ing is added to the present continuous sentences, it becomes a present continuous. Next, present perfect. I have read so many books I can't keep count. So if you all are adding the have form in the present perfect, it becomes the present perfect. Okay, for present continuous ing is added, for present perfect have is added. Present perfect continuous, remember students, for present perfect continuous, have plus been is compulsory. Have plus been is compulsory. Look at the sentence below. I have been reading this since I was 4 years old. Since I was 4 years old. Now let us look into simple past. Simple past is nothing but the simple sentence which happened in the past. Example, look here. Last night I read an entire novel. Means yesterday I finished reading entire novel. It is into simple sentence. Past continuous. Here again for past continuous, we are adding the words was plus ing. Was plus ing. Okay, then past perfect. For past perfect, we have to add the had. I had read at least 100 books by the time I was 12. Then past perfect continuous. For past perfect continuous, remember students, had plus been plus ing is compulsory. Had plus been plus ing. You can look there in the below example. I had been reading for at least a year before my sister learned to read. Here in this example, the three words are compulsorily been added, that is had, been and ing. Now let us look to the future, simple future. I will read as much as I can this year. Means we are predicting. Okay, we are predicting. In future continuous, will be ing is compulsory. Will be ing. Okay, then future perfect. In future perfect, will plus have. Will plus have. I will have read at least 500 books by the end of the year. Next, future perfect continuous. In future perfect continuous, remember, will have been plus ing. Four words are compulsory. Will have been plus ing. You can look there in the below example. I will have been reading for at least 2 years before dinner tonight. So we are thinking what we are predicting in the future, and we are making these sentences. With this, I completed your